Hello guys, and today I will answer a common question: how to control volume on your AirPods Pro 2nd. Let's find out, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you need to make sure that your earbuds are connected to your phone. And as the second step, you need to make sure that you are wearing them. I will wear the left one and show you on the right one. Now, let's take a close look on the right earbud. Right here you can see this part, which is the controller. So, to increase the volume, you would need to swipe up, like this, and to decrease it, you would need to swipe down. Let's test it. As you can see, it works just as it should. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.